unless you're in my lobby.
Call me Mark.
Just kidding.
Or Steven.
Billy, when the fuck are you gonna play a support, bro?
Damn.
About that. Never.
Oh. Just like that?
Why? You scared? You scared?
He's
Scared
scared
of a
of,
little kitty cat? Scared
never
of a
mind,
guy
I'm
in
gonna
I
a
be
would
nice.
much
spider
rather
suit?
learn Iron Fist.
Oh,
than ever
yeah,
learn a
he's a
support.
healer. He's a healer.
Oh.
Man, where's my cloak and
He's
dagger?
actually like a healer, kinda.
I'm in the trash. Hey, will someone look at me in the trash?
Will somebody look at me and heal me? Where are you, cart? Where's the trash? Oh. Where's the trash?
I'm making friends.
What are you doing, girl? I was dumb. Why'd I do that?
The thing is,
Love battlefield medicine.
Ah, balls.
they ruined it.
I never liked you, Loki.
Not it bouncing off the Loki. I wouldn't play the game, to be fair. Play like 4 to 5 games of comp a day and quit. You gonna get a GM like that? I've been working so much. I haven't been around much. Wait, what? You're telling me your job is more important than me? Whatever. Whatever. Oh, fuck. Loading into another comp game. Yo, good luck, Haley. Good luck, princess. You got that. Whoa, where am I? Whoa, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ooh, huge stun. Oh my god.
Nice.
Wounds are gone.
Good night, Peach. I sleep. Bye, KK. I'll see you Friday. Thank you for games, dude. I appreciate you. They were rough, though. God damn. Dude, I swear we got the best 3 players on the team. The other fucking 3 players choke. Like, bro, I would have been GM by now if I could 6-stack. Some bullshit. Now I see why everybody was grinding beforehand. I hate that noise so much. Are we mid D2 right now? Me too! Literally. Today's a day I get GM, I can feel it. Oh, really? Hi Fluff, how are you? Lexi, thank you for the follow. I love you, I'll be back. Bye, Lee, good luck. I could do it. I believe. Comp has been decent these past few days, so I can't complain. What are you, bronze? What are you, bronze? What am I? Invisible? I don't have my team up.
Thanks.
Kurt's a goated healer, man. Brother! Brother, man! No, fuck it, I'm doing it. You know who Emma looks like in diamond form? She looks like that girl from the new, was it Silver Surfer or something? I have all last season. I'm gonna play until I get GM. It's not optimal. It's not optional, even if I'm if I'm mental boom. You got that really. You never hit Celestial, did you? Do I Q comp again? I'm up 8. Oh,
Baba Booey.
fuck it. Q till you lose. This guy's fucking stinky. I can smell him from here. Alright. You need to go to sleep sometime today? I'm aware. I will take care of myself. I will be fine. Don't worry about me.
Come on, coach.
That one almost diamond? Gosh, you got that. You got that. I just figured, dude, I don't know. My games have been shit, man. Either getting GM or plat, not saying diamond anymore. Oh, that's what I said. I was like, I'm gonna play until I get fucking plat or GM.
Almost there.
Emma being called Silver Surfer is crazy, though. Wait, Silver Surfer is the girl from the new movie, right? I mean, she looks like her. She's, you know, silver. And has hard hair. And she's metal.
I tried to keep him out of
Or she's a
trouble.
diamond, actually.
Wouldn't listen to him.
Oh, she's a diamond. She's a dime. Why'd I do that? That was fucking stupid. Wait, no, I can do this. Bro, I almost beat her ass. I get the purple badge and I go back to enjoying life. Yeah. For real. Oh, it's chucked. Ooh, wow. You got both with that?